Hi children, happy morning. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Yes, okay. Tell me how many are practicing for your good handwriting. Okay, nice. But later I will check how many are improved your handwriting. Okay, okay. We are discussing the topic is linear equations in one variable. Yes or no? So in this we are talking and discussing only one variable in one side only. Yes or no? Yes. So that means already we learned different types of methods using to find the linear equations in one variable. First one is trial and error method. In your 6th standard you learned this one. Next 7th standard balancing method or systematic method, and the third one is transposing method. Yes or no? So what about trial and error method? Yes, we are trying to different ways of finding the solution of the linear equation. Yes or no? Yes, that means we are giving one by one after that values, and it is possible it will satisfy that equation, then only we will take that answer is a solution. Yes or no? Yes, and it is very lengthy process, and also time being process. Okay, that's why we are taking the next one, that is the balancing method. In this balancing method we are using rules of addition, rules of subtraction, rules of multiplication, and rules of division. Using these rules, and 2 and 3 4 times, 2 3 4 times you are using and finding the solution. Yes or no? So instead of systematic method, that means balancing method, we are using transposing method. So what is transposing method? Already we learned. So transposing method, we have to find only one variable. That means in this equation having only one variable, and that one also having that LHS side only. Yes or no? Yes. So now we have to discuss solving equations having variables on both sides. So how do we solve this? Before we have to check it once, transposing method for one variable in one side. Once again recall that one. Okay, let's see. In this process we are carrying the terms to other side of the equation by changing its signs. So in this way we have to take in LHS, suppose think LHS have positive sign. LHS have positive sign. If I transpose this positive side to right hand side, it becomes negative sign. Yes or no? At the same, negative signs become positive signs, multiplication becomes division, and division becomes multiplication. Yes or no? That means A by B is equal to becomes B by A. At the same time, from RHS to, if you transpose from RHS to left hand side LHS, that means minus become plus, plus becomes minus, division becomes multiplication, and multiplication become division, and B by A becomes A by B. Yes or no? That means we are carrying the terms from left hand side to right hand side. For example, x plus 15 is equal to 19. X plus 15 is equal to 19. Okay, see here we are remember this all are now. Yes or no? So how do you find this x value? This is x is the variable value. It has always in left hand side only. Whenever we have to find whatever, no problem, we have to find the variable value, always we should keep the unknown value in left hand side only. Clear? So example, x plus 15 is equal to 19. How do you solve this one? Yes. So this is constant value, this is also constant value, just a numbers. So now I am transposing plus 15 from left hand side to right hand side. That means I am carrying this number, this term, to one side to another side. Okay na? So 15 becomes minus 15. Why? Means here having positive sign. So it becomes minus 15. That means 19 minus 15, that is equal to 4. So x is equal to 4. Yes or no? So once check it, is it right or wrong? So x plus 15 is equal to 19 is our given equation. So substitute x value is the x. So x plus 15 is equal to 19. That means 4 plus, what is the value of x? 4. 4 plus 15 is equal to 19. That is equal to 19 is equal to 19. So now LHS is equal to RHS. Yes or no? So that means solution of the equation is x is equal to 4. So our answer is right. So in this way we are finding the solution of the linear equations. Yes or no? So most of the equations in RHS just a number only. This equation have variable only one side. This equation have the variable only one side only. Okay. Now let we see if it is on both sides. It is on both sides. That means here how many expressions? X plus 15 is one of the expression, 19 is also one of the expression. But here 19 in RHS did not have any other variables. Yes or no? So I will give one example. So this is the example, that is 3x plus 5 is equal to x plus 2. So 3x plus 5 is one of the expression. Yes or no? And x plus 2 is also one of the expression. So these are having on both sides. That means here 3x, here x have the same variables. But one is LHS, one another is RHS. We now discuss how to solve such equations having variables on both sides. Okay. So today we will learn solving equations having variables on both sides. That means for example 2x minus 3 is equal to x plus. Is it linear equation or not? Yes, it is a linear equation only. So how can you say this is a linear equation? What is the power of the x? 1. Here also 1. So highest power is 1. So it is a linear equation. Now we have to find how to solve this equation. Okay, let's see. We know that already we know that how to solve that linear equation in one variable and one side only. That means we should separate the constants and variables. Yes or no? That means we left them this way only. We have to solve here x value, here also x value. So now separate that value. That means see how can I am doing this one. First of all, transpose x value from right hand side to left hand side. So transpose x to left hand side. So left hand side, it becomes positive, no, then it becomes negative. That means 2x minus 3 minus x, okay, is equal to plus 2. Now 2x minus x means 2x minus x minus 3 is equal to 2. So here 2x minus x is equal to x minus 3 is equal to 2. Okay. Now again, now we got simple equation. Simple equation in one variable in one side only. Yes or no? So as usual, transpose minus 3 to where it is in LHS. So we transpose to RHS. Now we get x is equal to 2 minus becomes plus 3. So x is equal to 5. This is our answer. Now once check it, is it right or wrong? Okay. So first one, LHS. What is LHS and what is RHS? Here given LHS is 2x minus 3. 2x minus 3, RHS is equal to x plus 2. Okay. So LHS is equal to 2x minus 3, RHS is equal to x plus 2. Now substitute the x value where is x. So 2 into what is the x? 5 minus 3. Yes. 2 5 is 10 minus 3. So 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. Okay. We got LHS value is 7. So what about RHS? X is equal to 5. 5 plus 2, that is equal to 7. Therefore, here we got LHS is equal to RHS. Yes or no? So that means our solution, that means the required solution are the solution of given equation is, what is the solution? What is the value of x? That is 5. So x is equal to 5 is our solution of the given equation. So in this way we have to find the, that means having the both having the variables on both sides, no problem. That means first of all should check it, is it linear equation or not, first one. Second one, how many variables have? We are learning only one variable, that means we have to take one variable only. So next should separate the variables and constant, then we will get simple equation. Okay na? Then only we have to find that solution. Clear? Next one. Next, one more example. 5t minus 3 is equal to 3t minus 5. So in LHS have the variable. What is the variable? T. And RHS also have the variable t. Yes or no? So 5t minus 3 is one expression and 3t minus 5 is one another expression. This having between the equal symbol. So it is one of the linear equation. Clear? Now we want to find the unknown value, that is t. So transpose 3t to LHS. First one, I transport the t value from right hand side to left hand side. Then we will get 5t minus plus 3t becomes minus 3t. Already have minus 3. Okay, is equal to minus 5. Clear? Then 5t minus 3t means 2t. Minus 3 is equal to minus 5. Now we got linear equation and also having one variable and it is in left hand side only. Did you get? Yes. Now transpose minus 3 from where it is? It is in LHS. So we have to transport minus 3 to RHS. Then 2t is equal to minus 5. Minus 3 becomes plus 3. Clear? So then after 2t is equal to minus 5 plus 3 is equal to minus 2. Yes or no? Next, t we want to find only alone t. Yes or no? So that means transport 2 to RHS, that becomes division. Why means 2 is multiplied with unknown value, that is variable. Okay, so that means 2 minus 2, that is equal to 2 ones are 2 ones are 2, that is equal to minus 1. T is equal to minus 1. Now check it with our answer is right or wrong. What is LHS is given? That is 5t minus 3. RHS is equal to 3t minus 5. So what is the answer? T is equal to minus 1. Now substitute t value where it is. Okay, so 5 into t means minus 1 minus 3. So plus into minus minus, 5 ones are 5, minus 3. Minus 3, that is equal to minus 8. LHS we got minus 8. Now RHS, what is RHS? 3t minus 5. What is the t value? T value minus 1. Substitute that value it here. So 3 into minus 1 minus 5. So 3 ones are 3. So already have the minus, so keep it that minus. Okay. Next to minus 5. So minus 3 minus 5, that is equal to minus 8. Yes. So LHS is equal to minus 8, that the same RHS is also minus 8. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. That means solution of the given equation t is equal to minus 1. Okay, is it right or wrong? Yes, it is the right answer. Go for the next one. Okay. 5x plus 7 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2x minus 14. So 5x plus 7 by 2 is one of the expression having the variable. At the same, it is in LHS, and 3 by 2x minus 14 is another expression and it is in RHS. So in between these two having equal sign. So it is also one of the linear equation. Now how to find the unknown value, that is x. Okay, so we have to separate, first of all separate the variables. Where is their variable? 5x here in LHS, and 3 by 2x is one another variable value. So I am sending 3 by 2x from right hand side to left hand side. Okay, see 5x minus plus 3 by 2x becomes minus 3 by 2x. Clear? So x is over. That means I separated total x's in one side, and the remaining 7 by 2 is the constant, and minus 14 is also one of the constant. So this 2 also we should write at one place. That means I am sending 7 by 2 from left hand side to right hand side. That means it becomes minus 7 by 2. That is equal to 5x minus 3 by 2x is equal to minus 14 minus 7 by 2. Now it is one of the fraction, it is whole number. That means also we will get as the fraction. You know that how to solve that fraction? Yes, at the same we have to find that. So 2 and 1 and 2, what is the LCM? 2 only. 1 and 2, LCM is 2 only. So by 2 into 1, how many times you will get 2? 1 2s are 2 into what is the numerator? That is 5x minus 2, how many times 2? 1 time into what is the numerator? 3 into x, that is 3x. Again I am explaining. So first of all take the LCM of 1 and 2, that is 2. Clear? And numerator here 5x. 1 how many times we will get 2? 2 times. So 2 into numerator is 5x. Clear? Minus 2 how many times we will get 2? 1 time. 1 into what is the numerator? 3 into x, 3x. So that is 3x. Is it clear? Yes. That is equal to, here also take the LCM. What is the LCM? Same, 2 is the LCM. Yes. So now 1 how many times 2? 2 times into what is the numerator? Minus 14 minus 2 how many times 2? 1 time into what is the numerator? 7 into 7. Clear? Now 2 5s are 10 into x, 10x minus 3x once 3x only by 2 is equal to 2 14s. 2 14s are 28. Already have negative sign, so just keep it negative 28. Minus 1 7s are 7 divided by 2. Clear? Now on both sides have the denominators are 2. So here are 2, here also 2. Shall I cancel this 2 in equal situation? Yes, of course we have to cancelize these two values. Okay, next what we got? 10x minus 3x is equal to minus 28 minus 7. Yes, next 10x minus 3x. 10x minus 3x is equal to 7x. 10x minus 3x means 7x is equal to minus 28 minus 7. So both have negative sign. So add the values. 28 plus 7, that is equal to 35. So just keep that negative sign. Clear? So x is equal to, now I transposing 7 from left hand side to right hand side. Yes or no? So here just observe 7x is equal to minus 35. So what we got? One side, one variable equation. Yes or no? Having one side, one variable equation. So next process as usual. So 7x, 7 is multiplying with x. So I transpose 7 to RHS, then it becomes divide. So by 7, 7 ones, 7 fives are. So answer x is equal to minus 5. Okay. Now check it. Is it right or wrong? What is the LHS? So find it LHS and RHS. So what is LHS? 5x plus 7 by 2 and RHS 3 by 2x minus 14. LHS is equal to 5x plus 7 by 2. So x is equal to, we got minus 5. Just substitute this value in LHS and RHS where where is the x value. So 5 into minus 5 plus 7 by 2. What is the value of x? Minus 5. So minus 5 I kept it here. So 5 5s are 25. Already minus 25 plus 7 by 2. It is a whole part. This is fraction part. So we know that how to add or subtract. Okay. So should take by 1. So denominator, what is the LCM? 2. 1 how many times 2? 2 times. 2 into numerator 25. 25 double 50. So minus 50 plus 2 how many times? 1 time. 1 into 7 7 only. Okay. Minus 50 plus 7 by 2. So here minus 50 plus 7. That means we understand compulsory we are doing subtraction only these two numbers. Yes or no? So 50 minus 7 43. But here larger number is 50. What is the sign? It has negative. So just keep it negative 43 by 2. Clear? Is it possible to cancel these two? No. Okay, leave it. Go for RHS. 3x by 2 minus 14. So we here have the x. So what is the value x? Minus 5. 3 by 2 into minus 5 minus 14. So now this is also in numerator. So should multiply this two. 3 5s are 15. Already have minus. 3 5s are 15. That means minus 15 by 2. Minus 14. Okay. Now here also fraction part, integer part. So take that LCM. So 2 ones. What is the LCM? 2 only. So 2 how many times? 2. 1 time only. 1 into numerator 15. So minus 15 minus 1 how many times? 2. 2 times. 2 into 14. That is about 28. Is it clear? Yes. So minus both numbers having the same symbol. So added these two numbers 15 plus 28 is equal to 43. So keep it negative sign by 2. Clear? So here LHS minus 43 by 2. At the same time RHS also we got minus 43 by 2. So these two are equal. So LHS is equal to RHS. So therefore the solution of given equation is x is equal to minus 5. Sorry. X is equal to minus 5. Clear? So our answer is correct. So in this way we have to find, that means on both sides have the variables. So okay, I think you all are clear about this one. If the variable having on both sides. Okay, I will give some exercise sums, should do that one. Okay na? Okay, once we have to recall that what we learned in this class today. That is first one, trial and error method how we will do, and balancing method and transposing method just we are checked, and then after we are using to transposing method and find the solution of the linear equations. Okay. Tomorrow we will meet again.